Chapter 9: The Roadmap, a new framework for a new market. In this lesson, we'll synthesize everything we've learned, analyze the critical floor break on July 29th, and map out the market's path toward our final structural target. Welcome back. We've dissected the market layer by layer, from the engine room to the old guard. Today we put the pieces together to see the true state of the ecosystem before the crowd. The market speaks a clear, mathematical language of force. While daily headlines create a fog of confusion, the internal structure tells a logical story of decay, rotation, and structural realignment. The bull market did not end in a single crash. It was a sophisticated sequential breakdown. SPY and QQQ peaked in early June, followed by a defensive rotation into the Dow and speculative small caps. We witnessed the floor break on July 29th. The failure of the 0.80 level confirmed that the sellers had won the battle and a new primary corrective phase was finally underway. What does this mean for the months ahead? The path of least resistance is lower. Our next major structural destination is a test of the 0.73 demand ratio level. The November midterm elections will act as a powerful catalyst. History shows these years are known for volatility, providing the negative narrative that allows the market to complete its journey lower. The strategy for the coming months is one of caution and discipline. The time for aggressive buying is over. We must wait for a definitive capitulation, bottom followed by a powerful A-gap ignition. To recap, the primary trend has shifted to bear. The July floor failure was the definitive signal, and we remain focused on the 0.73 structural floor. Learn to think like a physicist. Measure the forces, not the stories. Stay disciplined, stay safe, and I'll see you in the market updates. This is Professor Clock.